back to a Canadian Homeschool Mom. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the EasyFlash flash drive. It is a USB flash drive that you are able to use with your phone to make it easier to transfer your photos and videos from your phone to your computer. Now this works with both Android and Apple phones, but I bought it because I have an Apple phone. And I don't know how many of you are aware, but Apple is not very compatible with a lot of laptops. I have been struggling to get my photos and videos from my iPhone onto my laptop. So this has made it way easier. Now, I ordered two of these, one for my iPhone and one for my husband's iPhone. They both have 256 gigabytes of memory, which is great. That's a lot of storage. So I'm going to just review them. I'm going to show you guys what's in each box and all of the different features of it, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to take a photo or a video from your phone and put it on the computer using one of these flash drives. Now, they both came with an adapter that you plug into the USB side and it turns it into a USB-C. My laptop has a USB-C port, so it is convenient for a lot of the newer devices because a lot of devices are switching to USB-C. And these flash drives both came with a card that says that how to apply for a free USB flash drive. I will go over this a little later on, but I did follow the link and I did end up getting a free USB flash drive. I'm just going to open both of the boxes and show you what is in both boxes. Show you something neat that I stumbled across. I was studying this because I thought this was weird. If you look at that, see the end there? Oh, get it to focus. That's a Android end inside the USB. And I was skeptical to push it, but because I didn't want to break it, but I gave it a try and it pops open like this. So if you have an Android phone, you can put this in this end into your Android phone, and then you clamp it down and stick it into your computer. Isn't that neat? So it's USB, the Android plug, which I am not sure what the correct name for it is right at the moment, the iPhone adapter, and then you've got the USB-C adapter that comes with it. So it's a pretty versatile flash drive, and it stores a good amount of photos and videos, and they come in different sizes too. I will leave a link in the description for this flash drive. There's a few different colors to choose from, so I will leave a link in the description. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, if you are struggling like I struggled to get my photos and videos from my phone to my laptop, these are very convenient and great to have. So here, I'm just going to share the process of transferring something from your phone onto the USB, and then transferring it from the USB to the laptop. I'm going to show this to you and how quick it is. Now, this USB has an app, and I'm going to show the app to you as well. As you can see there, it takes seconds to transfer something to the flash drive, and it takes seconds to transfer it to the computer. Now, if you're transferring multiple files or big files, it may take longer, as to be expected. Thank you for checking out this video. If this is something that you need to help you transfer photos and videos from your phone to your laptop or vice versa, go to the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more. Have a great day.